Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find your video call history. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app on your phone. Then give your login details and sign in into your Messenger or Facebook account. Now, on the screen, you can see options like create a new message at the top right corner, then 3-line menu at the top left corner. Just below that, there's a search bar at the top. Then you're gonna see your old conversations. Now to find the Messenger video call history, all you have to do is open the chat where you made video call. There you go. You can see there's your video call history right inside your conversation. And guys, that's it. That's how you find your video call history on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.